Hello friends, today I will tell you how to add two 8-bit numbers using 8085 simulator. Okay, or how to add two 8-bit numbers in 8085 microprocessor. So over here we have 8085 simulator. So first I just tell you using direct commands. So my first command is mvi. It is move immediate data to a particular register. So my register is register, it is 8-bit register. My data is, let's say, 4. It stands for hexadecimal number, and my another number is mvi. I just store another number in C register, and the data is, let's say, 03. Now I just want to add this number 04 to 03. So I just use command add C over here because my data is in register C. So this command perform A plus C and the data is stored in accumulator, that is A register. Okay, so now I want to just store this STA to a particular location. So my location, let's say, is 2000. Okay, now I want to just stop the program. Over here you just assemble. As you assemble the code, as you know, the command mvia04, it is 2-byte instruction. It takes 2 machine cycles and 7 t states. Okay, so over here it takes 2 location. Again mvic03 takes 2 location. Add C, it is a 1-byte instruction, or it takes only single location. STA 2000 is 3-byte instruction, it takes 3 location. Alt is single byte instruction, it takes single location. So now I just check the results. So over here we have my program is started from 00002 and it is ended over 0008. So now I want to check the results. So if you want to check the result, you can go over here. My results are stored at 2000. So let's check what is the result. So just drag the memory locations and go to 2000 location. So over here it is my 2000 location. So just check, run all at a time. So right now accumulator contains 7. Register B is not used over here. Register C is used, and in register C we have the data 03, and in the memory 2000. If you want to check, just put if you want to put some data inside this, you can go through this. So only loaded memory locations. So entire memory, in the entire memory at the 2000 I got 7 over here. As you see over here I got 7. If you just change the location of this part, like STA 2000 in place of STA 2000, if you use STA 2100, then data is stored in 2100. So let's change it. Just go to the editor part. Let's change the location to 2010. Let's check. So my data shifted from here to here. So just assemble this, run it, just check. Over here as you see 2010 contain 07. So this is how you can run a simple addition code in 8085 assembler. Now I just want to create a new code. In this code I just load the data from specific location. So I just load some data. So just click on store directly, and over here you have to just put the location. Let's say my location is 2000 at 2000 I just put 05, and at 2001 I just put 06. Okay, so this is my data, and using this data I want to perform addition in 8085 simulator. So I just change inside this code. So first I just used command LDA. It is load accumulator with particular data, and data is available on 2000. So I just use LDA 2000 H. So H stand for, here it is hexadecimal number. So after the execution of this command, my accumulator contains 05. Okay, so now I just move this data to another register. So I just use move B, A. So this command will perform, it will copy the data of A into the register B. So right now A and B will contain 05, 05. Okay, so now again I just use LDA, and now I want to load the data 06 that is available on 2001. Okay, now accumulator contain 06. Now I just use add B. It will add the content of A and B, and the data is stored in accumulator. Now I just use STA, and I want to store the data at the location 2002. Now alt. So now assemble the code. You see over here LDA is 3-byte instruction. It takes 3 locations. Move B, A, it is a single byte instruction. It use a single location, as you see. Now you just run all at a time. So just select the registers and check the data. Run all at a time. So as you see, in this case program counter ended at 000B, because my starting point is 0000, and it takes clock cycle 52 and instruction counter 6, and according to this, so run at a time, as you see, complete code. So let's check the memory. Entire memory, and my data is stored at 2000. Let's check where is my data. So it is placed at 2000. Right now it is null. So I just store data over here 1000, 05 and 2001. I just store 06. Now again I just run all at a time. As you see, when you hit on run button, before storing the data, you just assemble your code in this case. Okay, so right now at 2002 we got the 5 plus 6, that is 11, and in hexadecimal it is represented by 0, as you see over here. So this is how you can add two numbers from particular locations. So now I just use another addition code. I just write another addition code using different command, that is LXI, load immediate. So I just change this code, just go to registers. So my command is LXI H. It is H register in my 8085 microprocessor. we have general purpose registers, that is B, C, D, E, HL, and HL have a special memory that is denoted by M. So LXI H, my data is stored in, let's say 2000, over 2000, first data is at 2000, so I just move that data to a particular register, that is my accumulator. Okay, so I just move A, so the data from memory goes to accumulator. Now I just increment in H, so it will increment my location, that is from 2000 to 2001. So now HL pair contain 2001. So now in the memory the data is stored of 2001 memory location. Okay, so now I just use add M, it will add the content of accumulator with memory and the data is stored in accumulator. So now again I just use INX H, because I want to store the data as at 2002 location. So just move, use command move M, A, you just shift the data of, or you just copy the data of accumulator to the memory, just hold and assemble the code. Okay, so now you have to just go to the memory, store data at 2000, put some data, let's say it is 02, and at 2001 put some data, let's say 03. Now just run all at a time. When you hit on run button, as you see, we got the data as 2002-05. It is the addition of 2 and 3. Okay, and in the registers you just check what accumulator content and what is the memory content. Over here memory is 05. Okay, so this is how you can perform addition in 8085 simulator.